Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Shannon. If you are new here, I should be saying welcome back to me because it's been quite some time since I have uploaded a video. So the beginning of the year started and Nick and I were just kind of getting a feel for how we wanted to, you know how every year you adjust things to make the new year like better. So Nick and I were just kind of like adjusting some things, and you know, we're just trying to get things the way we wanted, and I just didn't have time to film and upload and edit and all of that stuff. And during that time, I had some time to reflect on how I really wanted my channel to be this year, and I feel like I'm just kind of over the content that I've been putting out. I kind of would like to switch my channel to more of like a healthy lifestyle and like teach you guys like what I have been doing that works for me and stuff like that. So if you guys are okay with that, I'm going to do that. I may throw in a few cleaning videos here and there, but for the time being, it's going to be like a healthy lifestyle videos. I'm sure I'm going to upload some workout routines, some tips and tricks, and then today's video, I'm sure there's going to be way more of these as well. Okay, so this box in front of me that I can barely see you guys over is a juicer. Nick and I have gotten into juicing, you know, fruits, veggies, herbs. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer right here. I am not a health professional. I'm not an expert on juicing. I am going off of the research that I have done. I'm going off of recipes that I was given. Not an expert, but we have been juicing for 3 weeks now, and you guys, we feel amazing. Also, who else is doing, or I guess has done, dry January? Let me know in the comments down below how hard or how easy that was for you, because Nick and I actually ended up failing. So we failed on the 23rd of January. So we lived, we learned, we challenged. I'm surprised we made it 23 days, to be honest with you. I don't think anybody was expecting that from either of us. A little backstory, I got a Hamilton Beach juicer. Did not like it. I don't recommend it, you guys. When I was to juice like my kale and stuff, I felt like you got more pulp than you did juice. So I decided to do an unboxing video for you guys and to show you guys how this works, and also I'm going to share some of my recipes. I'm going to share how to juice and all that kind of good stuff. So let's get this baby unboxed and see how well it works. Also, the thing I like about this one is it has its own little, like the stuff that catches the juice. The other one, I had to put like a glass under, and then it would still be leaking when I was trying to like, you know, maneuver it and stuff. So I think I'm gonna like this one a lot better. Honestly, I did not think I was gonna get Colton and Nick on board with this, but they actually are. Okay, so it has, since it has 5 speeds on it, it has this chart that tells like for an apple you want it on the 5th speed, grapes you want on the 1st speed, so stuff like that. So I'm going to be using that in hopes that I get more juice and less pulp. So the first juice we're going to make is a flat tummy detox juice. For the sake of the time for the video, I went ahead and cut up all the produce and stuff beforehand and put them in the separate containers. So what you'll need is a cucumber. I am using a whole cucumber, half a lemon, a little bit of ginger. You guys, I learned the hard way that ginger goes a long way. Like a 1/4 of a pineapple, and then I just have like a little bit of celery. I don't know, I would say that's probably 2 stalks cut up, 2.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and juice this and then show you guys what it looks like. It's really quiet. all of that fruit gave us about a little over 400 milliliters, or almost 16 ounces, I should say. So I definitely think this gave out more juice. The only thing I don't like about it is when you hit the on button, it kind of like jerks, and the cup kind of, you have to like hold it in the cup and push the button, but that's a small price to pay for how much juice we just got out of this. So these are the bottles that I got. I'm going to invest in bottles later on down the road. I just thought I would go cheap for the time being, just in case this wasn't my thing. You get 12 for like $14.95 or something like that. So it's a good deal. I will link them down below. I got them off Amazon. I will give them like a 6 out of 10. They're convenient, they're reusable, they do stain with things like orange. But overall, they're a great starter pack. So I'm just going to pour this mixture into, this will probably be like 1 or 2, and then we're going to move on to the next juice. This is a beautiful color. The Hamilton, I said it right that time, that one gave, like, this would have looked like baby poop. This is a beautiful green. This I want to drink. So this next recipe is called Let It Glow. And just like the name would suggest, it's really good for your skin. Since I have been juicing, I have noticed that my skin is somewhat clearing up. So I'm hoping that's all it takes to clear up my acne a little bit. I'm sorry if you can hear Nick and Colton in the background. He's giving him a bath as I'm filming this. So sorry if you can hear them. So this is the next recipe, and also this is mint. I need to use this or it's going to be no good. So I'm just going to incorporate it in some of the recipes. And then this is just leftover fruit that I'm going to, and veggies that I'm going to put in some of the recipes where I feel they are needed. This one, let me look at my little cheat sheet here. This one has 1/4 of a large cucumber, 2 celery stalks, 2 red apples, 1/2 inch piece of ginger. I'm scared of ginger now, you guys, so I'm not using a 1/2 inch piece, but there is a piece in there. 1 bunch of parsley, a small bunch of kale, a handful of spinach, and 1/2 a lemon. So I'm gonna juice this one up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this one gave us almost 600 milliliters in almost 20 ounces. Okay, the next one is called the Energizer. And it has 3 carrots, 1 pear, 1 green apple, 1/2 a lemon, and 1 inch ginger. I'm adding kale and mint, but that's the only things that I am straying from. And then I actually might add some pineapple as well. So I'm going to tweak the recipe just a little bit. So this one gave us about the same as the other one, 20 ounces, 600 milliliters. Okay, so this next one is specifically for Nick. It's just orange, carrots, and pineapple. And then I'm gonna add some extra pineapple and stuff with that as well. The 5th recipe I have for you is something I made up on my own, and I call it all things green, and it's literally just all fruits and vegetables that are green. Yeah, creative, I know. So I just took everything that we had that was green, except that I do have a few carrots in there just to throw some extra veggies in there. But I have spinach, pears, celery, kiwis, a little bit of ginger, kale. I think there might be some parsley in here, a little bit of carrot, oh, and some cucumber. So literally just everything green. Okay, this one is mixed with a little bit of orange because I didn't rinse between, but I mean, the more veggies the better, right? Okay, so now this next one is going to be specifically Colton's. So you want to try to get your juice 80% veggies, 20% fruit, but my kid's not going to eat that. He prefers more fruit, obviously, as every child, most children probably do. So I account it to if I can get any veggies in him at all, I'm winning. So this one I have a cucumber, an apple, an orange, I thought I put lemon in there, but maybe not. And then like a little bit of kale. I'm gonna also put this lemon in here because for some reason my kid likes the punch. I don't know, he likes to be punched in the mouth, not literally like with fruit and sour and stuff. So, and then I'm gonna use just the rest of this mint, or I might use like that much mint for his as well. Okay, you guys, so this last juice, I call it leftovers because it's literally, it is what it sounds like. It's the leftover fruit that didn't make it into the other recipes, but I need to use or it's gonna go to waste and I don't wanna waste it. So I had extra carrots, that is kale, orange, lime, celery, pear, and then I'm gonna add some spinach with it. Okay guys, so that was juicing. I had some technical errors on the last juice. That's why that is not on there. And then Colton's juice did not turn out as well as I would have hoped. I think I needed more for that, but I just, I'm still learning. I'm learning with you guys. So I have them in order from what we made. The Flat Tummy Detox Juice, the Let It Glow, the Energizer, the Orange Carrot Pineapple, All Things Green, Colton's Drink, and the Leftover. So that is all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys already juice, if there's something you would be interested in. If you have recipes for me, I would love recipes. And let me know if you guys did or are still doing dry January. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.